Blessed love family. Welcome back to Reggae Hour, where we celebrate the roots, the culture, and the voices that keep the fire of reggae music alive. Today, we're honored to bring you a true powerhouse of reggae, a man whose journey started in the vibrant streets of St. Andrew, Jamaica, lifting boxes for sound systems and chanting on rebel tone, to becoming a celebrated producer, visionary, and the heartbeat of the Reggae Powerhouse Band. He's worked alongside legends like Gregory Isaacs, Sly Robbie, and Frankie Paul. He's built studios, crafted unforgettable tracks, and now he's leading a band that's not just making music, but keeping the soul of reggae alive for future generations. Leroy Scarlet is here to share his incredible journey, from Music Mountain Studio to creating albums that honor the legends of reggae, and to building a band with voices from across the Caribbean. This is more than an interview. It's a deep dive into the history, culture, and resilience of reggae music. So grab a cup of tea, light your incense, and get ready to reason with one of reggae's true ambassadors. This is Reggae Hour, and it's time to vibe with Leroy Scarlet of the Reggae Powerhouse Band. So hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, so that when February 16th hits at 7 p.m. CST, you know exactly where to be. Boss Radio, baby. Reggae Hour on your favorite streaming service.